Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's for Friday, August the 20-something, I forget, 24th, 17th, I'm sorry. Look here, I just picked my truck up, getting the transfer case put in it. It took a lot longer than what I expected. So the transfer cases are on national back order if you're going to get a new one. And if you're getting so that's out of the option altogether. A new one is gone. So, and they don't know when they're going to get any, as far as back in stock. So you have to go to the remanufactured style. And I went to a place up in Iowa, Powertrain. Anyway, they do a lot of rebuilds and remanufactures of certain car parts or car and truck parts. But anyway, I got it in last Friday, a week ago today, and took the truck over Monday to Bald Knob, Arkansas, to a mechanic I know. And so he got it put in, and he got done with it Wednesday. It's Friday now, but I had an abscessed tooth, and so look here, I felt like crap from Tuesday till yesterday, or really still do today. And so anyway, I felt like going to get the truck, so I did. I test drove it. Now I'm driving it back home. Everything's good on it. It pulls fine. Obviously the rattling part that broke is gone. So it's everything back to normal. I'm going to, I turned down a loading this evening out of Stuttgart, going to Oklahoma because I just didn't feel real good yet. Still on antibiotics for this infection. But Monday, we will be on the road Monday, God willing, and back at it. And so thank you all for all your support, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. Please continue to do so. Thank you all. We'll see you Monday, God willing, and have a blessed weekend. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Thank you.